Hi, Milorad here. It's almost golden hour. Today I'm going to try to take some pictures of birds or squirrels, whatever I can find. And I have a sun on my west side, and I will try to have a sun directly to my back, actually to illuminate all birds or squirrels that I'm going to take pictures of. And I see there's a big airplane making noise, but that's what's happened when you try to take pictures in the neighborhood. Okay, and I can see there's a cat right there. We have a bunch of stray cats, and I'm going to take a picture of that cat. Okay. Now, get both of us. Okay. I may have a couple good pictures from this cat. Those are stray cats that live in our neighborhood. And I can hear birds in that big tree. And I'm going to try to get some pictures. Okay, bye. Okay, today's session is almost finished. I may have a couple good pictures, and I saw beautiful, colorful bird, but they are kind of scared. They didn't want to wait for me, and I couldn't take any pictures of them. But I may have a couple of keepers, and there's something going on in this neighborhood. There's a bunch of cars making noise. This is pretty quiet neighborhood. I don't know what's going on. Are they racing or something? But anyway, I may stay a couple more minutes outside, and thank you very much. Milorad out.